And today we're going to talk about how you can change the mobile, how your website looks on a mobile device in a way that it won't affect the desktop version. So you log into the website, log into your WordPress dashboard, and go to the relevant page. And then you can see this little button at the top here, which says Enable Visual Builder, which we click on. And then what we should see pop up down the bottom here. So you'll notice how all these different sections highlight, because that enables the Visual Builder enables us to edit directly into the page. So we're going to, where is it? Oh, sorry, we'll click on this button here. And then you'll see across here, we've got the options to view it in different formats. So we've got desktop, we've got computer, we have tablet, and we have mobile. So we'll click on mobile. And ta-da, there is the pages. Now, all we need to do here is simply, if there's one feature that we'd like to remove or we want to drag it somewhere else, it's really easy to do. You literally just grab it and move it wherever you want it. And that's it. Or you can just go right ahead and delete it altogether. And that's simple. You just got to make sure, like always, that you when you save your amendments, otherwise it won't modify it. So I hope that helps. And if you've got any questions, you can email us at inquiries@tradiewebguys.com.au. Thank you.